In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice comments to Google Docs. If you've ever wished you could talk through your thoughts instead of typing them, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that using Google Docs' built-in tools and your device's microphone. Start by opening your Google Docs document. Give it a moment to fully load so everything is ready. Next, highlight the specific text you want to respond to. Selecting the exact word, sentence, or paragraph helps anchor your comment to the right place, so anyone reviewing the document can see exactly what your feedback refers to. With the text highlighted, open a comment. You can do this by going to the Insert menu and choosing Comment, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+M on Windows and Chromebook, or CMD+Option+M on a Mac. A comment box will appear in the right margin, ready for your input. Now you're ready to speak your comment. If your device's keyboard has a microphone icon, tap it to use your system's dictation right inside the comment box. Alternatively, use Google Docs voice typing. Go to the Tools menu and click Voice Typing. You'll see a microphone button appear on the left side of the document. Click the microphone icon and begin speaking your comment clearly and at a natural pace. As you talk, the spoken words will appear in the comment box. If you need punctuation, say it out loud, like period, comma, or question mark. If you're prompted to allow microphone access, approve it so Google Docs can hear you, and make sure the language setting in voice typing matches the language you're speaking. Take a quick look at what was transcribed. If a word isn't quite right, just edit it directly in the comment box before saving. A brief proofread here will keep your feedback clear and professional. When you're satisfied, click the comment button to save it. Your voice-generated text is now attached to the highlighted section, and collaborators will see it in the document's comment thread. Repeat the same process for any other sections you want to annotate. Highlight the next passage, open a comment, use your keyboard's microphone or voice typing, speak your note, review it, and click Comment. For best results, record in a quiet space, speak steadily, and keep comments focused on one idea at a time. Using the keyboard shortcut to open comments can speed things up when you're leaving multiple notes. That's it. You've added voice comments to your Google Doc quickly and clearly, turning your spoken thoughts into helpful, actionable feedback.